yes. We use
And
password managers for everybody.
is it provided by the organization?
Yes.
Yes, even the floor employees, like the
No, not the
cooking
cashiers.
employees?
No, the cashiers are to fend for themselves.
Hello, we're here to ask people on the DEF CON floor about password managers and maybe other topics later. Alec, password managers, yes or no?
I would say heck yeah. So I'm gonna put my mark here.
I'm Stack Smashing, or Thomas.
Password managers, what do you think about them?
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah, let's go. I have a hard question for you.
Yes.
Do your parents use one?
No.
Aha, so you're saying they work, but in fact, do they really work?
For me, yes. For others, that's their passwords, not mine.
Yes.
A yes
Absolutely, yes.
and a yes.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
Oh, absolutely. I use one every day of my life.
Stephanie, I'm Olivier Bilodeau, cybersecurity researcher at Flair. And so Stephanie, like smart recording glasses in the context of they...
Are you going to tell me a fully consensual space?
Oh,
No.
yeah, oh, already? All right,
You're
all right.
I'm gonna go with hell no. And like flat cameras, I think smart glasses with cameras need to go away.
All right, but I noticed that you are wearing Ray-Ban right now.
Regular
So-
Ray-Bans, yes.
Yeah, but you're regular, but you're still, contributing to a brand that is creating
Yes,
smart
I
glasses.
know. I had another pair of glasses. I lost them. I had to buy these at the hotel.
Okay,
So.
okay. I am with.
Live Overflow. I have a YouTube channel if you want to check it out, doing all kinds of security videos. And we are here with our Hackstreet booth, teaching some hardware hacking. So-
Speaking of hardware hacking, my question is related to hardware hacking.
Okay, let's go.
Smart recording glasses. What are your thoughts on them?
I don't like recording. I think it's very obnoxious when people stand in front of you with recording. It makes me feel very weird. So hell no.
Your host, Olivier Bilodeau, cybersecurity researcher at Flair, and I am with
Jeff from McDonald's.
Jeff from McDonald's. Password managers. What are your thoughts about password managers?
Hell yeah.
And so the password for the cashier is right next to the
Password
cash
1, 2,
register.
3. Yes, yes, yes.
All right. Thank you so much for your time, Jeff.
Thank you.
So this is a very funny one because I'm very big into privacy, and I'm oftentimes in the hell no because this is a very binary answer. But the reason I'm going to say heck yeah, which is very rare of me to do, is because they are everywhere. You don't have an expectation of some of this privacy when you don't, I believe you should, but the amount of people that I've seen here, I'm going to say, you know what, who watches the watchers? If they're watching you, I'm going to watch them.
I gotcha.
That's a difficult question. Can't do a trebuchet anymore.
A trebuchet?
Yeah.
I like that. They outlawed trebuchets?
Well, you could just fling them across the road.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
we won't have them anymore.
We should build trebuchet to throw smart recording glasses far away.
Yeah. Maybe that's a competition.
That will be a village next year at
Yeah.
DEF CON.